Avast History Viewer. Brand new from Avast, this is browsing history reimagined. Avast History Viewer gives you a graphical view of the browsing history stored in your Chrome browser. This is strictly for Chromium-based browsers. Get insight about yourself through your browsing history. This is 100% private. This can even be run when you're not online. Avast History Viewer gives you 7 views and analyses to help you understand your online behavior. The first of these is security, and it shows you major security leak events affecting sites who have visited private information at risk if you visit these sites on an unsecured connection. Habits, times, days, and months when you are most active online and most active sites. Social, top connections, most used networks, most active times and days. Search, top interest, top keywords. Videos, most popular videos and services. Time on videos. Location, where your information is coming from. Your location sharing must be turned on for this section to work. History, list of all sites you've visited. Knowledge is power. Studying this might help you avoid becoming a cybercrime victim. This is a free tool from Avast and will officially be released next week. I've posted the link for the Avast History Viewer in the video notes. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.